Okay, so make the planes visible. Select sketch and go for center rectangle. Yeah, and exit sketch. Okay, we will provide some dimensions now. Edit, smart dimension, length and width. Done. And we'll give some fillet at the vertex points to make it rounded. Yeah. Okay, exit sketch. So the bottom sketch is ready. Now we need to take two more offset planes with respect to the top plane. So I'll go to reference geometry plane, select top and give your required distance. Yeah. Okay. Now we'll create another one plane offset to the created plane. So we have three planes now. Creating a sketch in the middle plane with a slightly smaller section. The objective being to create a constricted middle for the bottle. Provide some fillet and create a similar section to the previous one. Yeah. Over. We'll reduce the thickness slightly by 7.5. Yep. Exit. So we have two sketches ready and going for the third sketch and we'll create third sketch with the convert entities that is same as the original sketch. So we have a constricted sketch in the middle and two wider sketches on the other ends. Now going for lofted boss to join all the sections together into a solid. Now there is a slight twist. I'll just move the control point towards the left so that we get a uniform solid here. Yeah, done. Now click on OK. Over. So the main body of the bottle is done. Now I'll create a slight slanting area, a slanted cut. Yeah, a triangular shape. Mid plane and symmetric cut we're going to do a larger value so that we can remove the material on both sides. And then so we got a slanting face. I'll edit the sketch slightly to change the inclination, make the top line horizontal, then smart dimension. We'll give a slight angle there of around 20 degree. Yeah. Exit. Now take a plane with respect to the plane that is selected and take a offset plane slightly above the slanting surface so that we can create a circular mouth. Go for circle. I'll place it here. Draw a slight small circle there. Exit. Done. So exit sketch, extrude boss, reverse this direction and give up to the next and click OK. Done. Now we'll create rounded edges. Select slightly smaller radius 5. OK. One more fillet there, slightly larger radius. OK. Done. So I'll reduce the height of the mouth slightly down. Yeah. Done. Now the bottom area is sharp. We'll apply some fillet there. Yeah. Slightly smaller value. 6. OK. Sketch, and we'll create a small depressed area, small extruded cut. So I'll convert entity and just do an offset there. Towards the inside. Yeah. Reverse 5. Yeah. OK. And base geometry will convert to construction. Then now extrude cut and remove around 1 or 2 mm inside. Yeah. Then fillet and make the edges rounded. OK. Fillet. OK. Slightly smaller radius. We'll edit the fillet, edit feature 4. OK. Done. Also 4. OK. So the body of the bottle is done. The bottom, the top are ready. Now removing material from inside. So a shell. Hide the planes and then go for shell. Select the top face. Show preview and give your required thickness for shell. 1.2, slightly bigger. 1.8 and OK. Done. So now the bottle of the has a proper cross section with inside material removed using shell. Okay, now to create the thread. Okay, so insert, features. So we have to go to insert, features and thread and select the edge. Metric die. Change the size of the thread also. Maybe M12 or M24 will be fine. Slightly bigger. So change to 4. Yeah. Now thread is at the mouth of the bottle, so we'll try to move the thread slightly downwards using offset. Yeah. Okay. Change the height. Okay. Then, but this is cut thread, so we need a addition there. That is extruded boss there. Addition of material. So we have to change thread method to extruded thread. So we'll change the pitch slightly to 5 suppose and click on OK. Done. Thread is done. Now slight fillet at the top mouth area. 0.2 and okay, done. That's your simple bottle design. Yeah.